Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get free visiting star in Heartopia. Visiting stars are very useful. You can use them to buy items or boost activities or just send friend requests. And besides getting them from quest rewards, you can also get free visiting stars by visiting or following Heartopia's official social media. And here's how to do it. First, just tap on the globe icon, this one, and then just tap on discovery, and then just tap on official community like this, and then next just select any official Heartopia social media that you want to visit or follow like this, and then after that you will receive 5 visiting stars for free, and this reward will be sent directly to your mailbox. Just go to watch icon and then just tap on mailbox, and like this you will get the five visiting stars. Just tap on claim, and like this, easy and free visiting star in Heartopia already claimed. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.